Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to convert bytes into strings in Python. There are two methods we can use to convert bytes into strings. So first method is to use the string function. The second method is to use the decode method. So first we are going to have a byte data type. So this will be our string. It's a byte. Hello world, and we are just going to print its type. And we are just going to pass in our byte data. And now we are going to convert into a string. So let's do this. String 1. We are going to call string and pass in calling string function, and we are going to pass in our byte data and encoding type, and then we are just going to print our string 1. And here we are, I'm just gonna copy this one, and before printing we are going to print its type too for our string 1. And now we are going to use the decode method. Just first we are going to run our code, and then we are going to try the next method. So here's the output. We have classified over here. The type is byte, and then we convert into a string. Then we see class type is string, and at the end we just print that string. Now we are just going to use the decode method. That will be here. We're just going to do decode, and we are going to pass in our byte data. So that will be s dot decode, and we are going to save in string 2, and we are going to print its type and then print the string 2. So this will be 2. Let's run the code. So here's the class type string and the hello world. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.